For today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this bunny figurine. This is another commission from a client who became a friend from Canada. I think this is her 5th commission from me, not even counting the charms and figurines that she purchased before. I'm so thankful for her support. As I mentioned before, I've switched from earther clay to polymer clay. This type of clay needs to be conditioned well before use to prevent bubbles and cracks after baking. For the body, I didn't use aluminum foil inside so it can stand on its own due to its weight. However, for the head, I added foil inside to keep it lighter and also to save some clay. Just make sure to press the clay firmly onto the foil to avoid trapping air inside. Air pockets can cause cracks and bubbles on the surface after baking. I will also attach the tail, arms, and ears before baking. Don't forget to score the clay when attaching parts, or you can use wire if you prefer that. Then, I'll carefully blend the pieces together. Once it's baked, it's time to add the kimono. I'll first condition the clay with my hands and then run it through the pasta machine. I love that she requested a teal kimono. It's such a beautiful color. Since this commission includes clothing, it reminds me of when I used to make anime figure commissions. I officially stopped taking anime figure commissions this year, so this is a big step for me. Now I'm focusing on making charms to sell and taking on small pet or bunny commissions. It's a big leap because I'm still getting used to polymer clay and using UV resin. I was so used to following anime characters or existing original characters' designs, but now I have to be more creative and come up with my own ideas to sell. I need to figure out my niche and focus on it. A clear niche will help me build a loyal audience who truly loves what I create. But for now, my priority is introducing myself and my work to more people. Working with seams in polymer clay is easier compared to air dry clay since polymer clay doesn't shrink. Bake and bond or a bakeable adhesive is necessary when attaching raw clay to baked clay. I can't really see if there's a ribbon at the back in the reference, but since we're artists, we'll add a ribbon at the back of the kimono or what they called an obi. Is called sinigang. I just cooked the pork in a pressure cooker with tomatoes and onions to soften it. Then, I add radish, eggplant, sitaw, and okra all at the same time so they're soft enough for my baby. After that, I add nor sinigang mix for the sourness and fish sauce for flavor. Don't forget the finger chili. Once the vegetables are softened, I add the kangkong, which will be half cooked. And of course, sinigang isn't complete without a dipping sauce, fish sauce with calamansi and siling labuyo. This dish is perfect with hot rice. After the bunny is baked, it is time to paint the face and other details. This is a long process, so I'm going to speed it up. When comparing air dry clay to polymer clay in terms of painting, it is hard to paint on polymer clay because acrylic paint doesn't come off easily. The only way I can completely remove the paint is by using an X-Acto knife. In contrast, with air dry clay, I just need water and cotton to easily wipe the paint away. and meticulous when working with clay, especially when painting. How she turned out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now let's pack my orders. One of my B-grade coquette bunny charm has been sold. Another order from Canada. This client turned friend, bought a lot again. This time she got a total of 7 items. By the time I'm editing this video, the client already received them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.